So listed property continues to deliver above inflation returns, but investors have been urged to be cautious, with analysts saying it may not be sustainable in the long term. The listed property index, which has been on an upward curve since last year, recently breached 670 points for the first time.
Listed property is up by 7.9% and the sector has experienced growth of nearly 20% since November last year. The sector has delivered about 44% total returns from capital and investment growth. The low interest rate environment and the outstanding level of distribution growth achieved by listed property companies have contributed to the growth.
When interest rates fall, prices go up. That's because for the same level of income, you're now prepared to pay more because you get a lower return, but you're getting a lower return everywhere else. That's been the main driver, just the mathematics of what happens when interest rates fall. In addition, companies have produced double-digit earnings growth, many companies, and that's also pushed up the prices because they're earning more, therefore the companies are worth more.
And the development of malls has also helped to boost the returns of commercial property as investors are looking for yields in quality investments, but there are concerns that the new malls are threatening the sustainability of existing ones.
The development of new malls are a threat to the sector in the sense that half of the listed property companies own more, or half of what they own are actually shopping centres. They're the big shopping centre owners in South Africa. So the more new centres that go up, the worse it is for existing landlords because there's more competition.
Analysts say the smaller caps are more risky than the larger ones, but they offer much higher yields. And the inclusion of JSE listed companies in global indices has helped to keep prices higher as investor demand outstrips supply.
Bear in mind that some of the bigger caps are included in global indices, so they get a lot of foreign investors tracking them. But yes, some of the smaller investors, smaller REITs offer value. Rebosis and Emira and Delta, for example. Delta's got a lot of government tenants and offers a yield over 9%, so that looks pretty attractive.
The listed property market is expected to grow as investors all over the world are looking for good yields in safe investments, but it remains to be seen if these returns will be sustainable in the long term. Naledi Mudifu, SABC News, Johannesburg.